Hello everyone, this is Simply Kiwi. I just wanted to do an impromptu video. This is just showing those plates, and I'll try to remember to put in the description box where I got these plates. But I wanted to show you how I'm going to put backings on the back of these plates. A lot of plates come in that I get that don't have a backing, or the backing is not very thick in diameter, if I should say. And I wanted to show you how I'm making this particular backing. I did purchase the placemat from the Dollar Tree, and then I also use glue dots. I love glue dots. I started to use glue sticks, but they just got hard and it peeled off, so it didn't work as effectively. So I said, let me go ahead and just turn it over on the back of the white part, and I'm just taking these little strips. I have the strips of glue dots, and I just place them on the back in different areas of the plate. It has a backing. It's what I wouldn't say it's a backing, is more of a coating on the back, so it's not as thick as I would like it to be. And then also this helps to keep my hands from getting cut on the edges. Even though it's rounded, it's still a bit sharp around the edges a bit. So I decided I'll just do some backing. I did watch a lot of different people you do this with different materials. Some used a binder, cut up the binder, but I said that wasn't thick in diameter enough for me. So I said, well, let me just think about what material. And I said, placemat would be good. So I'm just placing several different placemats on the same, stamping plates on the same placemat. And here is some that I've already completed. And so these are some of the plates that had no backing whatsoever. And I'm just showing you here. And like I said, those edges are pretty sharp. Even though they're rounded, they're pretty sharp. So I just placed them all on this placemat. And I just simply cut it out. And that's pretty much it. Very simple, very easy, inexpensive to do. Use what you have. I'm all about that. I love little arts and crafts stuff all the time. And with a long, hard day, sometimes you need something just to relax yourself. And this pretty much relaxes me. And I'm just cutting the edges, rounding them off. And that's pretty much all I did to do. That's all I did to do, y'all. Can't get no words out today. I guess it's time for me to go to bed. But anyway, that's pretty much what I did. And I just wanted to show you guys what I did to put some backings on your stamping plates. So I hope this helps someone, that you can use the placemats. I think the placemats are the best thing to use and the most simple to use, and also inexpensive to use. So real easy. If you have some old placemats that you don't want anymore, repurpose. So that's pretty much it. And see, it's not hard to do. Look at and I'm just pressing it in firmly, and I like the back of it. I love this placemat, and I love the back of it and the way it looks. Really simple, and it's easy for me to stack it in this box that I have. And as you can see, I have a whole bunch on one placemat. You can fit a lot of them on a placemat, so it's not very difficult to do. I'm just showing you how many I had on that one placemat, and these are the ones that I've already done. And you can see the back of it. I really enjoyed it, and I like the way it looks. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.